Ever feel like your trusty Dyson V8 is giving you the silent treatment? You dock it, expect that satisfying charging glow, and nothing. Just a dead vacuum refusing to power up. If your Dyson V8 simply cannot charge, you're definitely not alone. This is a super common headache for many V8 owners, and often the culprits are a faulty battery and a struggling faulty motor. Think of it this way. Your battery is the heart of your Dyson, and when it's not holding a charge, the whole system grinds to a halt. And that motor? If it's been working overtime or is simply past its prime, it can prevent proper charging and even damage other components. Ignoring these warning signs can lead to more expensive repairs down the line, reduced cleaning power, and honestly, a very un-Dyson-like performance. Nobody wants a glorified paperweight. But don't worry. At Robocare, we've seen it all. We're not just general repair specialists. We are Dyson V8 whisperers. Our highly trained technicians possess an unparalleled understanding of the V8's intricate power systems. We use advanced diagnostic equipment to precisely identify whether the issue lies with a worn-out faulty battery, a struggling faulty motor, or even a combination of both. Our process is thorough, from initial inspection to component-level testing. We don't just guess, we diagnose with certainty, ensuring that only genuine replacement parts are used. Your Dyson V8 deserves the best, and we deliver expertise that gets it back to peak performance reliably. Now let's get to the results. And just like that, this Dyson V8 is back. Fully charged, powerful, and ready to tackle any mess. Experience the satisfaction of a vacuum that works like new again. Don't let a dead battery or faulty motor keep your home from sparkling. For reliable Dyson V8 repair, choose Robocare. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.